Updating your email address on AliExpress is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the AliExpress website or app and log in using your current email address and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Select email settings. In the account settings menu, look for an option labeled email or account information. Click on this option to proceed to your email settings. Step 4. Enter new email address. You will see your current email address displayed. Enter your new email address in the designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering your new email address, you may need to verify it. Check your inbox for confirmation email from AliExpress and follow the instructions provided to complete the update. By following these steps, you can successfully update your email address on AliExpress. Make sure to keep your account information secure and up to date for a better shopping experience.